Here are 3 foods that are healthier than you might think, with one being a staple in the diet of some of the slimmest people in Europe. 1. Potatoes. Often dismissed as unhealthy due to their starch content, potatoes are actually rich in vitamins like vitamin C and B6, potassium, and fiber, especially when eaten with the skin. When boiled or baked, they are a nutritious and filling food with a relatively low calorie count. 2. Olives, a core part of the Mediterranean diet, which is known for promoting heart health and longevity. Olives are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. They help reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases and support healthy cholesterol levels. 3. Full-fat yogurt. Full-fat yogurt, especially varieties rich in probiotics, supports digestion and gut health. Unlike many low-fat versions, which often contain added sugars, full-fat yogurt provides a natural balance of fat, protein, and probiotics that helps with satiety and overall metabolic health. It's a popular choice in Greece, one of the European countries known for having slimmer populations. In Greece, yogurt, particularly the rich and creamy variety, is widely consumed and contributes to a balanced and nutritious diet linked to the country's lower obesity rates.